Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to consume collagen powder. To begin, understand that collagen powder is a remarkably versatile supplement, making it simple to integrate into your daily life. It's widely recognized for supporting skin elasticity, promoting healthy joints, and strengthening hair and nails. For optimal results, aim for consistent daily intake. Many people find that adding 1 or 2 scoops to their morning beverage is a perfect start to the day, ensuring they don't forget this beneficial step. Mixing collagen powder is incredibly straightforward. It dissolves effortlessly in both hot and cold liquids, offering great flexibility. A common method is to simply stir 1 or 2 scoops into your morning coffee, tea, or a refreshing smoothie. For a smooth, clump-free experience, ensure you mix it thoroughly for about 30 seconds. You can also use a small whisk or a frother to achieve a perfectly blended drink, making your daily dose enjoyable. The beauty of collagen powder is its flexibility regarding consumption time. There isn't a single best time. It truly depends on your personal schedule and preferences. Many individuals choose to take it in the morning, perhaps with breakfast, to kickstart their day with its benefits. Conversely, some prefer to consume it before bed, believing it aids in overnight recovery. The most important aspect is finding a time that works consistently for you. Beyond beverages, there are many creative ways to incorporate collagen powder into your diet. Consider blending it into savory dishes like soups, stews, or even your favorite pasta sauces for an extra protein boost. It also works wonderfully in oatmeal or yogurt. For those with a sweet tooth, try adding it to baked goods such as muffins, pancakes, or energy bites. Don't be afraid to experiment and discover new, delicious ways to enjoy your daily collagen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.